Welcome back. Now, to analyze the data for the upsell, you're going to go to your home page, and then you're going to go to the conversion section, and then you're going to click on goals, and then you're going to click on overview. Once you do that, you can actually switch the drop down menu specifically to goal number 3. It'll show you all of the data that you want to see regarding the upsell. Now, obviously, we are going to want to find out when people are abandoning the process before they actually get to purchase the upsell. And so really, in order to do that, we do need to set up a multi-step process, which we will actually do in the next 2 videos. But now you've seen how to set up your upsell, how to track it as if you were tracking any of the other goals, and to watch specifically the statistics for that level of content. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.